Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap Solana to USDT on MEXC. So your first step would be to simply click on the MEXC application, and with your account on MEXC, all you need to do at the home section, simply click on deposit and go ahead to deposit your Solana token that you will be using to simply swap into the USDT. So click on deposit crypto, go ahead and deposit any cryptocurrency here, like the Solana that can be used to convert into the USDT. All right, so once you've deposited your Solana from any exchanges, or if you choose to deposit via a buy crypto option or the P2P trading option, you can get your Solana tokens on this exchange and convert it into the USDT. So to make the conversion, simply click on the convert icon you find on your home screen. If you can't find it here, click on the more icon and go ahead to add it from your assets. So on the assets menu, click on the quick access edit and then simply click on convert and add the convert there. All right, so now all you need to do is click on convert, and once the convert menu opens up, you see we have from USDT to MEXC. So switch their places so it says from, and then select or search for Solana. Click on Solana and now enter an amount of Solana you'd like to convert into USDT, and then simply click on the swap option and the conversion would be done. So click on convert or confirm or get quotes and the conversion is done. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.